Harry! Harry, say something to me. Say something to me.
Look, I can swim.
Brilliant. Harry's swimming too.
I can swim.
Who's that?
Grandma.
Is it Grandma?
But at least then you don't have to worry.
Say something.
Something.
Uh-oh.
Grandpa, I read Amanda.
Oh.
Swimming in the baby section of the.
Grandpa, I can look in the water.
Yeah. Say something to the camera.
I love swimming.
You do?
I love swimming. The best part of the holidays is my grandma.
Yes! You know how to butter us up, don't you? Hey, should we speak into the camera? Come on, what are we going to say? Huh? You're going to give me a hug? Give me a hug on camera, okay? Can you do that? Yes! Come on, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say something. What are you gonna... Look at these guys. Look at this.
It's such a bucket.
Yeah.
Hello! We're in the real water!
Yeah.
Everyone, even a baby was peaceful.
I know, I'm sitting, look.
Even a baby
Look at this. Look at my shorts.
That's what happens to me. It's fun to press down.
Is it? Yeah. Let's do some more filming. What?
It's quite fun, look.
Yeah, water skiing. You want to get by? Okay. Woo, yeah.
At the pool, we did some games and we went.
Nice, you did nice games.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you.
Here we are for the day out with our wonderful kids and grandkids. And what's this place called? SunWest? SunWest Park. Somewhere we didn't even know. It's on Route 19. And didn't even know about this place. But it's basically a lake. And they got, as you can see, water skiing.
We won all these 6 prizes.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Harry, where did you get those from? Eva.
We won them.
You won them at the pool?
We won them at our hotel.
Oh, nice.
Did you? How did you win them?
We played a game and we won 3 games.
Wow. That's fantastic.
And I got.
Nice.
I got.
What is that, Harry? Show it to me.
Mine is
Oh, it's a whale.
It's a mermaid.
Oh, and Eileen got a, Grandma got
And
a,
a shark.
and a shark.
And I got a narwhal.
Oh.
This is so much fun having the grandkids here.
Yes. Bring that out, you know you.
I know. I really didn't feel like leaving the house today. But guess what, guys? Man United beat City today in the FA Cup final. We are the champions.
Man United is boring.
We beat you.
No, United is quite good.
Okay, don't do that. Don't do that. Be nice.
Just wait. I'm gonna get out this water.
Eileen's found something to play with. Okay, let's see what it does. Eva Weaver. Eva is a weaver bird. Harry is a hairy armpit. Oh.
I'm gonna jump over you, Harry.
Oh. Harry! Harry!
Over Eva. Oh, look at Granddad's head.
My naughty granddaughter.
Delicious.
Huh?
What?
Do you wish Charlie and Isabel and Ashley and Freddie were here? What about your brother Callum
Yeah.
and Eliza and Darcy
Yeah,
and Megan? Megan. Who's this?
Nobody. Why? He's coming back.
We're just saying we're wishing all the kids were here.
I love it.
Pam, what have you got to say for yourself?
I love you, Al. I wish you were with us.
Me too.
Oh, stop it. Don't get my camera wet. Oh, look, Harry! Oh, Harry, what are you doing? Go under there and look at it. Eva, underneath. There you go.
I wish all you mom was here with us. I love you so much.
We love you. What's up, Dave? Hey, Dave.
Can I have one of those waters, Pam?
Yeah, I think
What
you
you-
put that back.
Yes, I will.
Just be careful, Eileen. Harry's put that drink behind your back. I don't want it falling all over your back.
My son, the sand sculptor. Eva, what are you doing? Decorating it? Eva! 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 Here we are at the beach today. All kinds of people here. All kinds of people going. Went to the bathroom. Good job, Dave. Look at this thing Dave made. Hey, Eva. Eva, what you doing? Harry, what you up to?
I'm making a sandcastle outside the crocodile.
Oh, okay. It looks like a big fish or a dolphin. Looks like a grouper. Eileen, what you got on your face?